same way. Lydia, me koya na me baye. Enti say na aware and kofoka aware ho asem. Is this what we call marriage? Pema many wuti fie. One Ghana cedi simple. Untimi nyi mame mfanko market se me top food stuff. If ya me na me ye bibia. Me na me share me to your water bills, electricity, bibia da me so. And so na me jabo me ho so say Lydia ma ware. Enone say na bema ma ware bank manager mo. Now you're bank manager. Say from bank manager. Oh, what are you then? Common restaurant manager. Say I what done me laughing stock of my friends. Omo me wabonti na omo che. Me Lydia. Obi Amako University. Say me pape worry be my pape be na on shame na on me maintain me. Shame we no. This is not what I bargained for. And your way na me bargain for. I need to act smart. I was me act smart and yes I dare be pharmacy. Wait, shasa na me boss no. Only me here way fine sana. It's me anyamashana. Wait me nyamshana. If you know about Daniel mommy, I can't no. What else do I need in life? A dime, bear my obit to me, I heard me. I need to I was me take a plan. Now Smith dear. My fan watching. Na se medane suban tan be our own humbida or big Johnny and Nancy for fear. Smith, dear Ban, who ni mankawasha da dear. Meka in quasia so much wrong. One casano. In can't show a call. One or better bag I had every fear having. Because I then young woman and berry as I said me in bed you here. Me I me mommy woman or say me or him I need to live the life of a queen. This nonsense must stop. Boss India. We shall see.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I have a surprise for you. A very big surprise for my only sweet wife. Happy birthday again, my dear.
Thank you.
Let me close your eyes. You're not supposed to see what I have for you. Turn left. Okay. Left. There you go. There you go.
Make sure I don't fall.
You're not going to fall. Don't worry. I have something for you. Go. Go. It's a big surprise.
Right.
Turn this way. Left. Left. Oh! You got it. Happy birthday. Come on. Let me help you back. Okay, come and sit down. Come sit here. Where do you want to sit? Okay, you can sit there. I just took my time to prepare this for your birthday. This is a big surprise from me. From me to you. Come on, sit down, sit down.
What is this? You took your time to prepare this for me?
Yes, I prepared the rice myself.
Oh, you're normal. Are you okay? Surprise no? Is this the surprise our woman? Oh, you're normal. I think there is something wrong with you. Because me them say, oh, you obia over class. Oh, you obia over test. Over swag. You know what time it is. Oh, shall I wait at side time when I walk? Is this the time we are in?
Why are you talking to me like this?
I have to give you one. What is this? Smith, what is this?
Chips.
Chips. In Cherry and our customer may also chips. Where your chips?
Come on, Lydia. Why are you doing this?
Honest canon. Here won't you know and not just said Jimmy and I said them. What Jimmy?
Lydia, I'm your husband. Why are you talking to me like this?
Unyami husband. Me Jenny say me husband the Gina Hano because me husband on sati sa and near my way and to table we so me friend me can't me say surprise. Wait, so below and I said oh sha me no sabi say. Why say me no drinks we say? E wo fi hada.
Lydia, what has come over you? How can you call this so below? I mean, are you okay? What no sana? Are you drunk?
I'm so wanna be yo. And see what if you have made pop champagne and made no Baileys on ice no. Hey yo, do you see me drinking this cheap drinks?
Lydia.
Smith,
Lydia, come on, I cooked this rice myself. Hey, here.
You cook this rice yourself. You cook this rice yourself. Don't you mean I don't know mommy? What if you have more when I do with you? Oh, you're very, very lucky, sir. And then my birthday. It's not me taking it easy on you. It's waiting now. I wasting my time. Waiting now. I wasting my time. Oh, you're lucky. You're my birthday. Now, one name. That's all. I tempted me say, be man. If you have me, young. What did you make a show?
Lydia, come on. This is becoming too much. Birthday. It's a surprise cacao. And shoe, so top stops with a full line, trying to quick. You sound up and do it to a pushing.
darling. Baby. Patch your own back.
Hey, Fasti. No problem.
Excellent. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
We're fine. I said you would know. I feel be say I was over now where you would know. Okay. Yeah, call out. What I say? I was saying me call some one-to-one to prom. See, me call ba. Nah. Me de enema, me nema fin. Me de go wash on because this week when I'm very busy. I'm very tired. I'm so weak. Until nema no shena see me right. Oh, not for still the adding. My sister go wash money and take patch up na see mommy. Why? My panties. Last time now we see panties now. Oh, the white, ni black, ni na bomo.
Ah, me see panties. Yeah. Me see panties.
Na say we see me panties and yeshe.
Na we are be jija bonte aka we can't see me bonte.
Oh, na me njina bonte se na ye wo fie. You fear and I first to Najina Hanum. First, there's all ye, me, nipa. First, what's my panties are Bonnie Bibo?
Oh, Debbie, sweetheart, and I won't in the boxes.
Missing the boxes.
Although you so see, it was in the dear and your Boniana.
Oh, where's Sibida?
Oh, sweetheart, we the money text for that.
You see? Oh, Jai, first, you are your finipa and your share and your bonte to fear into me so. Shana one for panties near Nambomo. Separate white no from the black. We are for that one na and sanitizing. Oh, sweet Jaisa, me pentem. Eh, menya sir. And there might be like we see near man sense be where trip. That sense no men pekra. Nti ya na the death kakra akano. What you say? Why? Me that say. Je tengana no. Eh na the atejane. Me am won say jane ni fie. Ah, tuti just cannot. And umpe, me fanship, umpe scatter. Umpe.
Foreman, be doing your butter, Foreman.
Ah, I said, oh, just can I said, I won't just go so only one Ghana. Or
do you with him, Sir G? And yes, she.
Okay, and so what there? Fatter, Gianni. Now, men you see now. This is 5 cities. Now, 5 cities into my right. Now, you see now, you know, me no young coffee. The club.
Sweetheart, patch any club.
Watch it up. If I talk, me watch it.
Sorry, Nana.
Ajara.
Classmates.
Ajara, Hanawo. Hey! Wow! Watch there?
Hey!
Hey, we me call we call her Madame Funa said Jamie Pidia di Kakra. Any mammy, I watch any Bidia one city. Bye.
Classmates, Yantinessa.
Oh, sir.
Yantinessa, so they may find right.
Cause my Tassa so meet me.
Oh,
Emura no se kakra gusia.
Adi da go nanga.
My head arm first come to us and I may custom Madame with it. That's it.
Nah, blessings. Anyone go man.
Oh, yeah, na Saturdays me town kwejuma.
Saturdays. Tuesday, Anna. Tuesday.
And you beat me. A beat me, no. Me a beat me. And my economic could be me. We may call which Madame for beyond and see me baby and Sana, Marco. A beat me, my could be me, and I'm encouraging. Sweetie, Polelo. Bruni.
I didn't know my fancy, sir.
Oh, man. You consider your mouth fancy. I had Bonnie Biana, so could be mouth fancy.
Bonnie, then I would do inside.
They announce them can be my say, say. Huh? You say, hey, you couldn't have mouth fancy on your bonnet. A chair BBC and Sana could have mouth fancy. Baby, you be on? I'm not a bang now. I'm a dumb for be. My customer down for my clients cry. Obeji loan just 3,000. I would call to go cover jewels, my summer DNA more change CD. Mamina, so 3,000 within just 8 months. I can account more hit it by 1.3 billion. Utinu se sane manteno vani quick. Iti mi dream homes no. Tina se mi kokrum koye survey kakra. Omu se sa nkofo no mu ba, omu mutu ade no mu wo ho ba ya hwe no maji. Nso no. Say I want him the 3,000 puli dia. Why not? Mami ni ususu ho hwe bia na. Utimi amma me 3,000 bia na wanya kwan bia metima fa so a. Nye bibi kakra na my quick the kutuga kufane many biaba. Cause already cry meaning ko 423 be di hu kuma tese. Omukunu sese mu bi nei kra koma betuna skana asu ma sha se atwa meka.
Bonnie replay mommy. O se menya den.
Na ase mami kan want it.
Smith. Mr. Bank. Ana me yejuma wo bank. Sabio, asemwe ansa na obeka no udwen ho twice.
Lady ade a wo twene tan a wo ya mana ibibi oho. Ye nya ibia e asem na masusu ho. Ukuni me masusu ade ho na me be share with you. I mean who say e bibi bia e say wo stretch no tan bia as ade bi nsi da ade hu bia wate we e dey.
Sorry a ukunu no abesusu asemwe ukunu ene ukunu echina. Sa me no mienu wana wo so o man yonku loan. Me and now. Time na oye adwuma wo bank hono. Me ba office on be catch you say me yan loan. I will catch me say there are certain procedures e was me follow. Man kasa and me follow procedures no me provide every document muka say me fam ban. Later and I will catch me say loan or omon fam mame. Omon granting me loan because I am not qualified for the loan. I did not say anything. Me but now fear her. Boko. Months later, minkotia. What granted me yonko ba loan. ade a went me anya amame o wakoya ma oba foforo ama oba ne sika ne dwane ye eno ne wonne awode tefie ha a wonya adwuma enye no na me
Lydia o kasa do we ya wayire ho kasa twetwetwe awo twi ade free coat abesi anamfo we eye den enipa a wo kana sam ye ni na ye adwuma obango for 12 good years. I don't know what went wrong. Wo niam a wo de ba bank ho nya so wo de ba be access loan. All the documents, fake documents that buy, forged documents. Loan now wo bebusa 1.6 billion. E dey collateral how they buy. And niam a wo de buy nya was fake. And niam a wo de that's the reason why Oma approve the loan.
E dey tina wo ye adwuma wo company ho. Wonya me kuno.
Oh, it me jinamu na me fa fake in kata and sign loan ma.
Eno ne wonne. One fa fake ankoma obi o. And so the scanner dwan no na wo te fie ha no. Me na me hyew. Me dem sika na hyew. Anka wo te me nya sa scanner ma me anka ba na ye te ye fie. We enye me boss the dom ye anka ye ne baby ate.
Lydia, o kasa to. Na me na me tiska ware. Anya bi adwuma wo yempo ye me na me link you.
Me say sa sika na wo te e de ware me no. Ma tua ne double to you. Shana ma show no, me tua double. It is say me na ma ware na wo na ware me. It is say me say to your bride price.
Lydia, me.
Oh yes.
Met.
Ma show.
Say.
Me na ma show ama say o didi hwe me ma wadwane ti hwe wo body. Enya asem aka wo a day unya adwane ndi aka wa fon aka one. It's oh sorry anopa. If you are praying to God, thank God for my life. Because me ni ho a uni ho. It is a see ano kakra na me wo no pese me o break me. The o ye no anso. O pese o break me kra na omo ho say me ni bibia.
Lydia, it's okay, please.
Opo, bra, me ye. Bra. Enye kwansi asema babusa me 3,000 Ghana cedis. Ame kofa ne we wonni ana wo se. Nonsense. Ni asema me nhie wine we ngu wani. Just the tip of the iceberg. What you say? Where eye ashase na de ena mechere ba no trust me. Ohu a uti be pai.
Oh, you know the didn't see fie we. Oh, me dey mean jundi. O kuno connection you mo hye.
Sister Adan, my background say me kuno atodan ya mame. My background say what behind dan bia mame. Ana o pese o je mani monyam e ma be ma na o ne na ne na fie ha o nya hwe no. Mempesa.
Look connection be. Look na djuma go dida do.
See Lydia fie we when I see.
Our phone. Say na now share pictures for inside. I will.
Fa etro honom
na koshe ya. Puno. Ma omo hu se. Ohima
brand this na posty.
Chat to all we answer.
This send it for you, send it baby. Someone try me what's up.
Beba, my dining prem now omo hu se ohima one. Me fie ni. Hi snappers.
This Cindy baby. This Cindy baby.
Wow.
They trasako. Hey, bad life.
Share. Oh, bad life. Me nya san wanya na ase wu nya san na menya. Asaba na waka nsa.
Oh my God, small girls are young. All the same, they will come for lessons from me because me your ohima bakope me and metro on how to go about everything.
Lydia one.
Yes, you're free for you know.
Yes,
if you had the power, you try the power hat. You try the come closer.
This Cindy baby, I'm the next Pino. With your trasako.
I know pro.
Holy, try you say the way I say. Thank you.
Come on, snap with so small boys.
So wow, I'm sure no lie here.
Good evening.
Oh, Mr. Smith. Good evening.
What's the better say?
You.
If we say move film old house, so me who be? We have a call there.
I see the honey.
The nyamiasi.
Lydia and me inside.
What's your say? I don't open on that. Me that's how best thing.
So, baby, many did a common to make a crack. No, my kitchen ho, baby, and chance in it should be him. Free genus may be any be him. To me, send me Jessica. No, Buffy, I could do my to be big a crack about the good honor.
Oh, sir. And it my minister me wallet in Mumlas here. I still.
If you did be any musa and yet, could you drink a cram?
As soon as I am a yika crapper, the wallet in an open net that main panel at Tifisa. But me to me who net a bay, now him makeups near Macacran. To say be all packing the makeups near Manon or Wafa. A dear shiny bag in the moody, a queer juma moose. I say, come on, shisha harming. I say, I could in a bag in my wallet and because I could in a bag.
No, says, oh, wallet and not or him my bag in my money.
Eh, one of them cry, me a yika cassa, I didn't well who say, me wallet. Which to me for coin, son.
I come so dim you.
No, and as I'm not penning in. Aduane semni nyamba me timtim kra na emse me hu so afa me wallet kono me ya dry fasting kakra.
Oh, you dry fasting. Onu o hima nyina.
Oh, debi ase me na me gire ma ye odi man pipe ama no.
Ene de eje. No kwasem se nyame so obi di mu ada no de akoma pai a nyame tie ne pipe. Enti me pipe ne se akoma so ade bia Ewrade be ya ma wo. Any me wo biki to bi wo mento man me kwa koto bi why
we dey me here pass me ma ayi su sika sa oh enche dey na mo wa krase watimi afa me wallet a shane bag mu kosa yo ma ene enche ba yo
Aso. Hey, there na what tell say no you na so here dry fasting no.
Man, break it but that's
what that's so we here dry fasting. With Gary.
a quasoy na udi for mom and direction. Says about 12 biana. I come a soaky guy na. Made dinner and I'm a budget says.
If you are dry fasting or so, you break here and what the gary. Hey, who pass on a check?
Oh, also, can't tell us so crack. I bet it's a Jesus Christ. A pump of the same way to the head. It's a crack. Jesus.
Now, no, so Gary. Send your car and afford your gown be at home. Talk of water raging, the uncle won't be any over our more. As you come out home to see it into you. You go more when I just say to you. Asante. How big a problem? Asante. What did you say, Gary? A man, Yari? I problem now, I know.
Maybe empire.
Lydia. Now, me so Lydia. You am him. You are him, my fefe. Abaya krum. Abaya sono. Akono baby. Show dear. Little so. No sorry. Hey! Ohima, what's my wrong? Yeah, I was in the visa. So, may I and the baby upon me? It's a penny. Baby, Matty. Baby, Hamilton. You may be assessor. The way I was seeing you from the Cassan. I meant to say, you be how one hour, man. Catch them what it. Russia, a true to say, you be how catch them what it. Until them where we are seeing. Mammy, baby, there be cost. Someone, a big cost will fear her palm. What you just think of me, someone can. Hey, the new one. Sunday. Smith, I will come and see. I will come, my husband, man of the house. Mommy, right now, only my husband, he is not the man of the house. She said, no, meaning the man in the house right now. He said, what done me or Barbema or Fiano? Because all the responsibility I was so or no, take it up. Me and me. It's me, yeah. Let's just say, she says, Smith, I'm why your Barbema. Oh, why you feel that? Oh, now we be man, if I check the same, set aside Smith a Juma is saying. Continue a Juma, a bit me a man is like any proper way, dear. Continue any. Meaning say, Aboni Jiao, sending my Mimune, no, meet to mention. Let's say, oh, honey, my near Juma is very good in Tiamika. But then later, no, Madame for be a friend. Kumawood restaurants. Make obusana or say or your senior waiter. Now waitress no your senior na ewo junior. Aka onka manager mpo na me hu say bia or te baby na enkrofo ne service enkrofo na ono so ete etwe na wo hye se enema ekoye. Enso so or your senior waiter. Obeji adi. Ohima. Common waiters.
Man not yan.
Man na wo be na man.
Me say me hwe man not yan.
Na man na wo kan you obi di ana say enipa na hwe na man. Hey, you go crazy. Masi na wa ha. Oye kokko.
Oh, oye kokko an.
Ah. Smith.
Ma oje, we. Wo de me ka. Me yes to do I say. We be film girl hwe.
Gare. January.
Obeji girl.
And 29 January. And February, you know.
Hey. Hey, brother, let's say.
Who's on the set to say, Smith. Now, Abrabo Bueno. Abranti by your grandmama. Because we're grabbing all we no. Ma, so ya wanya, ma be men church say wo. And wako free gare from January to enne. Gare no na chese uchi biton wana. Oh, wo gu ho ni mase. Smith, nanu say gare ma eye problem. Anything na we so glasses. And a power glasses. Awia. Enwumre. Ampo anadwo kura wo she glasses na wo de ada. Ba from okra e she we na wo twi nsu egu so. Ai. Crowd.
My dear, you better get some more. Wow, the water.
It's a total. Gare. And cut here for about and a sugar so 20 pesos. That I see you.
Total.
Aye.
You got good water.
Smith. Oh, good one,
Peter, I mean, you not come about where you are.
Ah, that is I did not check because I did not check. Because you was my other coin is only to find no more. My cruise.
Not just say. Gare. What disappointing pa? What go ho ni mase? Kurase ni boy ofiri krokutu mu. E ba ba ya adwuma wo ti kuro mu hanom. Akofiri ni gare. Abrantie na woni dokono. Ma
dokono na gale no. Obetumi be ebeje kohunu be 3 bucket ma. Na odi mi 3
hwe. Nya twere wa. Bucket ma. Ana ye ni tifi ha. Na de ai. Wo go ho ni mase pa. Gare man. Woni na mawiase eno ayi wo beti ketiketi wo bi hu osime hu mecho enso gare nko a gare body efiri usuru besi form gare
Peter na me sen kai wiye yo me ababa ho
ko anu tum
ko truvan
eye abante
weekends ama fo chele
mesra
ti fi membele ka
abante eye mesra so wa ba ka kire me ho enti me soja bibia ma me so se so na wo kwan no me ba na ma ba betu ya ka wa
Your wife from
Janse mono Janse mo ba on fa ni gale na odi ba ma ni chia gale ma gale asam na odi ba ade na gu ho ni masesa wo ye bank manager just ye yi wadi kura on pa bibi foforo na wonye Mr. Space Mr. Gare nema mienu award awo no se e ma award kura me am obi Mr. Space Mr. Gare obeti get Gare nko a
Pacho hey Lydia
bed. I go for food na so.
Where are you from? From where? Why are you coming from work at this time?
Smith, we had a long conference at the office. You know we are partnering with Akan Twi, so it was really long. I had to stay back and take care of things in the office.
Wow. Lydia. How many times have I called you? Lydia, are you a married woman?
Smith, are you a married man?
Yes, I am a married man. I am a married man.
So isn't it obvious? If you are a married man, I am a married woman.
A married woman. You leave the house early in the morning. You come home as late as 2:30 a.m. You have the guts to stand in front of your husband to greet him good evening. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Look at who is talking about someone being ashamed. I should be ashamed of myself. Really? When you sit in the house doing nothing, eating all the food in the house, yet you claim to be the man of the house, a married man.
Lydia, you are biting more than what you can chew. And very soon, you are going to spit it out. Why can't you show just a little respect? Just a little. Just like how you those respect you showed your bosses at the office. Why don't you reciprocate those respect back to your husband?
I should show you respect, Smith. I should show you the respect I show to my bosses. Smith, when was the last time you gave me 1 Ghana cedis? Do you pay me? Do you take care of this house? Do you take up your responsibility as a husband? You don't. So how am I supposed to give you the respect I give to my boss? How am I supposed to respect you as the man of the house, my husband? How? Listen, I had a very long day at work, okay? So if you don't mind, I'm going to get some good rest. Thank you.
Lydia!
And no one, we know the office now. Work on this like a party. Be another bisa. Sister.
Oh, my office. Now we say party. Na me or who? Na say ejuma na me.
Macho. Yeah, they make kasa. You say. I'm ready. I think so.
Ready. Se me na me black hill. Na se me the share. Na me na some
small pairs beer.
One kasa na ya. When you see, now that's now your uncle. When you see, I just do baby and I will be so I'm saying I need to see her. Sana enimuna opening. I've been looking for something like this forever. Now when I say me nya holy oil na me the sra me boss na me blessed me chest na me nya push up bra na me bo na me picture no for no. I say, show we go so me don't know. Open say na a shine. See ya.
Me ya so do. Office will be a ukunu wo fie. Wo kunu no. Wo di way ko office. Ada dey adne hell.
Now, Davio, Bema no si fie honum. Anke eyo no kwa na me de me ho ato ne so a. Would you say enema we a de bia me besesa no? Anka metima sesa no. Ena ma me fa nema ne gu he because e ka ono pa da mentime tua.
Meso sika sam de wonim tua. Because they know 2001 no. 2001 no. Ube yi nyoma na bam o de ma de ma me. But I come 1,000 Ghana. If you make up no de no.
1,000 Ghana man can't just brefie na be just come.
Wo ba mi boutique na o yi nyoma me sambra wo fie. E ma just ka dey.
Asementi o. Eye bibinti na mimi Lydia. Me kwamit me raw shop hanum. Me ohima o. But now no I should be living the life of the queen. Just me raw shop hanum me were maids there me nsa omudumechi. Na ba ko the flowers ni gu fam.
Lydia shia so me sia no ka say some yi nyoma.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Please, this is Smith. Okay, sir. Please, I was calling to find out. No. Yes. I just wanted to find out the date for the interview. Yeah, I submitted my CV last week. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. On my council interview now. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Smith. We are okay.
Me okay.
Unyare.
Me nyare.
Nice. Ye de radiase. Na wo free them honum a wo fa compound ni mu no. When hu sa ha ye fin.
Ni so ba wo hu sa ha ye fin.
Catch me say me ba no me hu say ehwa. So you are expecting say me ma sorry anopa. Messi me ho. Ko ejuma. Ko di traffic mu. You also expect to say me fa prayer empra prefie ha. Abra wo ti fie ha wonye hwe no.
What? Lydia, you are talking to your husband, okay? Show some little respect. How?
What? Huh? Oh yeah, you are talking to your husband. You are talking to your husband. Yebedi. What if you are no one say how you feel was so far broom epraha? Do I need to tell you? Anna child. Tobo. So unim say, want me impra if you hana. And I want me see ha. Fine, no problem. I have a solution. Mefa house boy and a house girl. Now Oma be say fie hanom. Until at the end of the month, now what you are moka. And I swear. Uska.
Lydia. When I got married to you, I was a bank manager. I didn't start life like this. So like a parrot to say whatever you feel like saying this morning to me. Lydia, the worry will not move you 5 months pepe. The money free me, sir.
So say they all catch me say me were bad luck. Erade. They be a me catch say. Uko fear ya busa o mame. So oyewa on chawo. Now wo mame wa ye wa che.
Lydia.
What you say?
Lydia, show kasaye.
Me ko adwuma and be man me pressure enko high. Kra. Smith. By the time me free adwuma ba no. Na if you are wasiesie ha kama ama baby aye sparkling white. Tiles ni so chichi so. Washroom honum, chichi toilet nim. What? Me mpese me no benya asem. What does it ho?
Lydia ko.
What if you have who fast one saying? And it's all beji me who sika na wo to aduane di okoba ye hu hwe so. Who fast one saying? Ko fabrom no na start say wo prepare fie hanom. Me mpesa. Smith and Gigi me anope. What is dey make catch on?
Lydia, me see the work and mate. What the cop?
I remember back. Na me who say high things are. Me no way me no yan ko fie hanom. Nonsense.
God, you did not give me this woman as a wife. Whatever has changed, dear God, change it in heaven for me. I don't want to say I've made a mistake. Nah, I don't want to say that. Whatever has changed, God, change it in heaven for me. Wallace, what motto? The only international automotive. Oh. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. And I'm home.
I know prep. As a boss, we man. And I want to toss. Sometimes I do feel my brain or something like that. Sometimes I come by me. I go come by me. Turn and buy. I'm just sorry. I'm sorry. I was saying check here and send my code. Me put some buy.
Full slide for there. Yeah, more links, more nations near more. Who trust selection? Yes, more. Yeah, there. What motto? Oh, that's good.
We are sitting. I give you cost. That's all behind them. That's also one behind them. I'm ready. Your cost of power. I don't think so. They will be okay. You know, maybe cost of fear. Say, ninja one. Pray out, pray. You know, one don't so pro. This is the first time you skate time. Anytime you do now, times we ever so now who could come inside. I don't mention. Maybe our wife seen you Kasano. Hey, was sorry to say, you know what you tell me, Jancy. I don't think so. Warrior Kurana, if I were see Panati, I meet my worry. Was wife, here was in William. See, come miss me, bonus woman in your 360 degrees Celsius. But I am the money to another. Look at come plant and meeting me. Of a bad, there was no meaning. We have a respect as a wife, 20 minutes.
Only Edi se ubusa edi waya de wo musa de ke show team na de namo a konso bo nyu susu efofo na aprano ene enuma kakra akra bi ofi bi enye boni kwaso se be ma osori a so tinti mpo ti se me exercise ne sa na mi yi na musi mu ja na sa na me sa na me sa na ti se mpo mo ye she
Circle Carnation. Circle Carnation. What now? Circle Carnation. Yeah, Circle Carnation, Circle Carnation, Hey, I see the more deal. I'm born for morning. Yes, Mom, Miss Kawai. See how Miss Kawai offer. Yes. Okay, move this way. Abekala pass. Okay. But so many dance first dance show. We need 10% oh, second one. That's why. Okay, so I'll see you to the old boy. We pack up a banner and I say Gianni. I'm a can't say we do which I'm now bro. So hey, Siani at me. Oh, I buy be asked me to scan the camera coin. So only say me J. I don't think I can't say the way I meet me there. Asante.
I said, my jack the wallet, no.
Sure, I said, go back to China. So I'm seeing how we pass. I'm not going to make it. Where's your wallet?
Because I can't me used to know. Me the car wash. And them say, I'm a jack and you're money now.
And I thought you asked our car wash on. See, I'm a head and children, so I my and I be so move. Every day, I said, no, I can't listen. I'm a do myself. Any come, I'm driver, man. This why. About party, I said, maybe what before car, we see the show, because it's in this car. Now, in this car, I can't edit it. You're new to a woman at an petrol near the Aquana. I said, I also can tell me. See, I'm a miss Messi. Oh, you mammy, see, I'm West, and West. And yet, I meant to ask you, a moment to move here, I'll call by you so again. Now, why not take more? I'm not the human, I'm your sister. Fina kasa. Also be seen for carnation. Okay. Oba pause this way. Next bus stop. Okay.
Who watch you? Oh.
Obesi wa driver. Ah, si for ma me dey me adwuma na me ye na no na e car me.
O me ti se na oni ne kasa no.
Every day be ma me dey me adwuma na me yo.
Ah, me da follow wa. Ti anu chuma why?
Now party sama.
Oh, my farmer no. Party sama man. Me si farmer no.
Ah, me dey man.
Oh, what's that in a media? Why? You and na me baba.
Oh, baba ngwa kasa wo hwehwe me. Ya bra me office. Why me so ye ko. Ah, suti me adwuma na me yo, adwuma me ye no be se. Yen ko office. Francis and mommy got the hotel. I will turn out as I will be the chairman. Tonight is Cabis. The ministry officer. But 20% will be said, there's some 20%. Now, we'll be a chase come on now. We have to do maybe better than for 22. Again. I said, what we got. We money about 20% this way. Yeah. Hajara wa kuminu. Fulani. Na vegetarian soup wa.
Fatwa dey na friend sir.
Oh, vegetarian soup ye na ye nwinam ne ye nkwan.
There be ebi nia.
So, okay. Na ede ndie na wo.
Abenkwan ne nkati nkwan ne wo.
Okay. Na aduane na ede ne de.
So benku na abetie.
Oh, na emutu no. O ye ne sense.
Ba ku ye 2 cedis.
Ba ku pe.
Ba ku 2 cedis.
So, ba ku. Mame ba ku me na o ma bitu abetimi nti. Nhyɛ da mpa aduane sa.
Patron kwan me ma de yin.
Mame nkati. Mame ya factory nu ase, why fa nu ase. Banku man banku no tu men kwa ande onim dada o
Patron na mo say
kotodwe ho na tiri ho so e na oda mami tiri ho no 2 cedis why ya na wape moko kakra de awo no
Oh, I'm Sunia. Hey, boss. Ready, man? Boss, me ba cho mi di do e kire ya. Me ba cho me ba se.
Trouble rap them so why?
What you me so is na bra se si awo di na bian no yi so na mi bra. Ada na we sir. Abranche wa bra se untimi ntona. Wo so wunwe na bra. Ti dia wo ye.
Oh, Debbie.
Debbie chai.
Oh, me go so kwa. Me na mpuna. Na say. E mo asre sisi so. Na me say we sabe sisi so kwa de. Me kam de me sabe sisi so na me de agu ha. Oh, de me na. Sem person new din komo dem eno aba betna sem komo na person new din ehu hia.
I need a fresh air.
Lydia, me yere no me ena me tisika ware o. Lydia say emfonso bi na aba anase boni bi na aba asema bebe bia no em se enso nsen ketrema itina ketrema ene kasa no yemfa sekan ene twitwa the way a usi enemy dance ban bi adi ofi ha kyereme no se mi tena ka kyew se mani je ho anam ye trofo. Lydia entisa wo ukuta ade ne so person de mamia untimi fa adekro emame ewodem ekire upie ba abonten mra wo mame gina ho eno aba be yi 5 cedis ahyemensem se 10 cedis ahyemensem se menje ewo mame anim itu hu se ugu ukun anim ase unim se wankasa ukun ena odi nanim etwitwi fom ewo wabusuem.
Smith mente wasel enti waiting na oba be disturbing me peace of mind. Means say because of this I can't have a peace of mind in this house. Say mama was sick in front of my mother. Na me gu eni mase. Ene oba so kan ngwase nwasam. Look who is talking about Eningwase. You are a total disgrace to yourself. Oye Ningwase na unam ho dada. Obi a utimi ko free gari. Komo gari. Uko free gari. Wako free kwa fine. 1 cedi, 1 Ghana. The next minute, whatever, next hour. Fani sika ne komane. Utifia, trense mimi Lydia. May you 1 Ghana ma now they akutua garika. Enya ningwase. Aren't you ashamed on its own? Uye ningwase na unam area ha. Just ugu me ho fin. Sometimes mama regret to say me worry wo. I didn't know yes sir. Sister be catch me say me giving you money in front of my mom no. Me go eni ma say. Na wo ka asasem no ekọ wenum. Mempesa. Bema me ni wotifie. O mama so njume. Wa wonfa bibi ambe fie. Wa wonfa sika bi ambe fie. Wa woje me sika. Woje kakra. After then when I choose to give you when I want to give you, o be cha me say, "Fa me call them na ma me sika." Enne kona kwa ya adwuma na pa wo sika.
Lydia, minim adekudintia o behave sir. But am I refi? Say a Smith and our yenisa. Am I refi that? Say a Bema na
obeware wo wabusuafo anim ene ne nsesi fom a oye ne sa nya obone medi minim se me no tebu nya obone. You know very well say medjuma say not a single day matena fie emra me ko pedjuma dane dan nyina me nenam a me pedjuma na minim se eden a nyame ebeche nyutumi se minya bi a ono nche se oba me ne wote fa manim ye fom oba ma ware se oyere fa manim ye fom na ye me de opebia ye ma yaka de a opebia enye hwe kana mpese me ka chew se ka obusuafo animu de o kire odo kakrama mia ana o kire obu kakrama mia sa obu no odo no e ka wa so wodi manim be ye fom e wo obusuafo animu a sa na edan kwama bi omo so do anim be ye fom
bibia enkame eningwase bia ebeba wo nchen bia eye wo nkwan wo dia disrespect bia ebeba wo nchen bia no eye wo nkwan wo dia because me am nam ha no me bu me ho obi ant me disrespect me o say wo kwa wo ti mechi ho no kra no o respect me because enye me anka ene sa fie we a wo ti mu no but now me ni bebia wo ninam enti e wo se anopa bia wo sorry kwa wo ti me da fam na me tia wo so when you will be disturbing me peace. Make me enjoy me cool breeze for once. Aden, me and me feel so mint nasi. Can't I stay in peace? Smith means so. What do I become as a matter? Radem.